Samsung Galaxy S10e came out in March of 2019, and now that we're in 2020, we can look forward to new flagships like the Samsung Galaxy S20. What is going on, everybody? Welcome back. MTG here with another episode, and today I'm here to talk to you guys about why I use the Samsung Galaxy S10e in 2020. So without further delay, let's dive right in. The size of this phone is compact. Yes, I said it. Well, if you compare it to phones we had like 5-6 years ago, then yes, it would be considered large. But if you think about it, Samsung was able to squeeze in a 5.8-inch Full HD AMOLED display in a super small body to the fact where you can use it one-handed. Now that's what I would call compact. Believe it or not, there's still people that really enjoy phones the size of something like the iPhone SE, but in 2020, the Samsung Galaxy S10e might just be one of the smallest phones you can get, aside from the iPhone 8. I use it just for that. It's a small form factor, which makes it so much easier to use the phone in general, and after I got used to using a large phone like the OnePlus 7 Pro, I definitely missed having a smaller phone. Oh, and yes, I did mention the display. We're talking about Samsung, so they do definitely make the best panels for their smartphones, hands down. I enjoy watching YouTube videos on this phone. Remember, I said in my past videos, and I'll continue to say it, the part of the phone you use the most is the screen, so I believe that it's necessary to have a super good screen. Cameras. I'm adding this one to the list of why I use this phone because, well, they're good. Like, really good. I have a video of a comparison between the Pixel 4 camera APK and the Galaxy S10e camera, so be sure to check that out as well. But the few results I have gotten have been super good. I don't use phone cameras often, but seriously, even in 2020, this is still a flagship camera. Keep that in mind. Believe it or not, but I really enjoyed using this phone because of the software updates. Yeah, right? Samsung? Software updates? It's crazy because Samsung used to be terrible with bringing out software updates. But with the Galaxy S10e, or if you have the S10 or the S10 Plus, for me, I have the S10e. I even have the latest security patch updated to February 2020 at the time of this recording. I really enjoy when the phone I'm using has the most up-to-date software, and I believe Samsung did a really good job this year with the S10 lineup. Even my OnePlus 7 Pro is an update to the latest security patch. This phone doesn't make too many sacrifices from its older siblings, the S10 and S10 Plus. It moves the in-display fingerprint scanner to the power button, and man, that scanner is blazing fast. It has 6 gigs of RAM, which is still quite capable in 2020. It doesn't have the telephoto lens, and I'm totally fine with that. A lot of people use the ultra-wide lens more than the telephoto lens. Other than that, it still has the same Snapdragon 855 processor just like its older brothers. And with One UI 2.0 running on the S10e, it makes the phone very snappy. Now, nothing can be compared to stock Android or my personal favorite, Oxygen OS, but One UI is so refined that definitely does not impact the software as much as it used to when we had TouchWiz on Samsung Galaxy phones. The great thing is, Samsung permanently dropped the phone's price to $600, and you can find a refurbished or renewed model for around $380 to $400. I'll leave the link in the description below of where I got my phone, but it's awesome to see how much this phone can be discounted to when you take into consideration how good the phone actually is. Samsung has really done a good job with the S10 series and the S10e specifically. I know a lot of people who use the S10e and they're really happy with their choice. I'm super happy with this phone, and for anybody who's looking for a phone in 2020 that's compact, powerful, and towards the mid-range budget price, then the Samsung Galaxy S10e is a perfect choice. Anyway, everybody, I hope you guys did enjoy this video. If you did, be sure to superman that like button, comment down below, because with the more interactions we get on this video, not only helps the video and the channel, but also pushes the video out to more viewers. And best of all, superman that subscribe button. Until next time, everybody, and until next video, this is MTG.